Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to add pronouns to your bio on Instagram. So here we are on the home page of the Instagram app. We just want to go to our profile down there in the bottom right corner, and there's a brand new feature that allows you to add pronouns next to your name here in your bio. I'm also wondering if it appears on comments and stuff like that, so we can test that out as well. But what we want to do is tap edit profile, and you'll see a brand new thing right here that says pronouns. So we want to tap on that. You'll have a toggle that says show to followers only. So that's up to you. Do you want to show this to everyone? Just leave it off. If you want to show it to followers only, turn that on. Next thing you'll need to do is type. There's a bunch of different pronouns. I don't even know what they all are or what they mean, but like the most popular ones are going to be like he, him, his, she, her. So I can do like him. It says I can add up to 5 of these. He, knee, done. So now you'll see that there's a few pronouns there added on my bio. Tap done, and when we refresh this, you'll see that that shows there right next to my name. So let's go ahead and test this on a comment. I don't see it next to my name on comments or anything like that. It's really only if you go to your bio, it's going to show those pronouns next to your name. So if you're into that sort of thing, you can add those. I don't personally think that I need them. I don't need to flex that I'm a male or anything. There we go. You can remove them the same way that you add them. There's how to add pronouns in your Instagram bio. I hope you guys found this helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.